So, here's something to why Oppo is absolutely one of the best smartphone companies on the planet. The Oppo Find N3 is now rumored to have wireless charging. And that is absolutely a W. Because looking at other smartphones on the market outside of Samsung, wireless charging is almost impossible. Waterproofness, wireless charging, not easy to do for a lot of companies. And that's usually what kind of separates a lot of companies away from Samsung, other than the fact that the smartphones is the wireless charging angle. I don't know if you guys have used wireless charging. I'm going to guess you have. If you have any smartphones really right now, outside of Microsoft, wireless charging is the best thing ever. I mean, you literally, most cars nowadays have it as a feature you can add to your car. Where, like, your little docking station in your car, you can put your phone, start charging your phone. I have like 7 different charging stations in my room alone that I don't even use cables anymore. I just drop my phone on it, start charging instantly within seconds. And recently did hear that Oppo is also working on fast wireless charging and fast wired charging. So with their Oppo Find and Flip 2, they actually now are looking at charging the Find and Flip 2 to 53% in 26 minutes. So pretty much half the battery in 26 minutes, and they're doing it in a very safe and correct way, which again, just they're pushing boundaries. You know, their screen without any fold, that's something that no one else could master. Samsung can't master it. Google tried to, they failed. Google did a lot better, by the way, than Samsung. But even Google could not master the foldable screen without a fold down the middle, without like a crease down the middle. So, Oppo yet again getting this stuff done. So the other rumors with the Find N3 is it's going to have some really freaking amazing cameras. It's going to have cameras that are found on most flagship phones, including a 50 megapixel, a 48 megapixel, and a 30 megapixel on the back, with a 32 megapixel selfie on the cover screen and a 30 megapixel camera on the inside screen. So 32 on the middle, 32 inside, and in the back it's a 50, a 48, and a 32. This could also be released as early as August. So we might see this right after the Galaxy Z Fold 4 comes out, or Z Fold 5 comes out, this phone coming out too. And unlike the Google Pixel Fold, that's going to be not light years, but definitely under the Galaxy Z Fold 5 in terms of performance, this phone's not going to have that problem at all, as it is going to be releasing with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, 8-inch inner display, 16 gigabytes of RAM, up to 1 terabyte of storage options, and rumored to be a 6.5-inch unit. This phone's going to be pretty dang good. Not gonna lie to you guys, I don't know how Oppo is not bigger than they are. At this point, I just want them to go international. I know right now they branch out the other European countries, plus China, but I want to see them go international because I'm telling you right now, I think this phone could be very successful in the international market, especially with how much progress they have made toward, improving a lot of the things on their phones. I mean, obviously we're in the 3rd generation of the Oppo Find N right now, but you look from the first one to now, and I really never thought they could even get better, and they get better every single time. And in all honesty, it's really the direct competitor to the Google Pixel Fold. A lot of people say, well, isn't the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 the direct competitor to the Z Fold, to the Google Pixel Fold? Not as much as you would think, because of design. And for a lot of people, what is the Oppo Find N3, Find N2, or the Google Pixel Fold is really what would be a Surface Zero 3 in a way. I know they're not like apples to apples here, but it's what we would always want to see in a Surface Duo 3. We have a beautiful outside display that's not a long candy bar or long, thin screen. It's a nice candy bar cell phone on the outside with a beautiful inside display that doesn't have a crease down the middle. That's exactly what the Oppo Find N3 is, and literally a direct competitor to the Google Pixel Fold, which is another reason why, I'll say this a million times, I really believe that Microsoft should team up and partner up with Oppo and create a Surface Zero 3 with Oppo. They could literally make so many more units, go international. And even if they don't make a Surface Zero 3 with Oppo, just partner with them, get this phone internationally, and now you're going to make a lot of money back, Microsoft. All you're doing is just getting it to a point that you can do it internationally. Oppo gets obviously a bigger recognition. They become a bigger company. It's a win-win for everyone. Now we have a third person in the industry who are truly competing for, better products for the consumers. So many different things I would love to see, but we have to wait and see what ends up happening. I'll see you guys next one. Peace out.